Chicago PMI. PCE was in line, and Chicago PMI was slightly lower than expected, so which is good. So yeah, Murray, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. I'm
Nice.
glad it's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, indeed. It's a Friday. Go Friday. Yeah, but yeah, it's Friday.
Yeah, it's a Friday, and yeah, still fighting that cold, feeling a little sluggish. Winter, gotta love it. But when I'm looking at the market, as you said, there's still some strength there. But we know that it's Friday, so I'm going to be definitely keeping my mind open to the fact that Friday are are usually sell-offs. We've got a little bit of a pullback on the Friday, so yeah, I'll be looking for some opportunities regarding that. When you're looking at the list, SPY for sure, like you said, very strong and maintaining new levels. And if I'm looking at trade opportunities that I might be choosing, did you look at AAPL?
I just saw that I have it here. Yeah. What is that? That is oh yeah, yeah, Apple. Yeah, it's,
Mm-hmm.
very
So
strong.
very, very strong. So AAPL is very strong. We've got a new player that showed up this morning with decent volume, which I'm not sure who they are. Maybe you do. Is they're not even there. It's CIFR. Oh yeah, they're there. Cipher Mining,
Yeah, I don't know them.
240 floats, short float of almost 10. So they showed up
Yeah,
this morning with very, very high volume. So that must be news driven. Another one that showed up this morning, and I'm going to be going here and there, is RR. And
yeah. The RR is. We had it last week. I think it was. Let's see. Yeah, it's ending the week. Ending the week strong. Nice.
yeah, so when you're looking at RR, the reason that I was looking at RR is because at that 240, it's definitely a strong level, and it has been before a level of support. So if we're looking at in December, the 240 was the 250 was very, very strong. 250 still a strong level of support there. So it just popped up because I had some levels already marked. So yeah, that one looks interesting. RR. And of course, our top player by far is NVIDIA. Did you see what's happening there?
Yeah, I saw that it was popping up Nvidia. So, uh, yeah, like I know you are mentioning all those new names and all those things.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, I like if you're gonna try any of them, we can take a look. But
Mm-hmm.
for me, it's like I'm
Not
kind of
interested.
yeah, like that CIFR. I am definitely not interested.
Mm-hmm.
So NVDA, yeah, you like you see like you remember yesterday you were saying like, well, just look what happened when it cleared the 120 with confidence. Like,
Mm-hmm. It was kaboom.
yeah, that was for good there. So then it's the trade for whoever was waiting for it.
Mm-hmm. And now it's at the level as we see, right? That level there at 123.80
Hmm.
is a level of previous support and resistance too. So that's an important level there. And when we're looking at possibly the tape, at this moment there's not a whole lot. There's 2850 that's a little that's larger than the others at about 100 and 2835. So for me, NVIDIA 28. Wait a minute. No, it was sorry. I was looking at SMCI. So NVIDIA right now, if I'm looking at the tape, there's 128.60, 123.60. I've got trouble this morning. 123.60. That seems to be somewhat large, and with a little bit of a stack at 123.50 and 49. So where does that put us at 123.50? Below the VWAP. Not sure if I like that, but 123.50 is below the VWAP. And then, but
122.
Hmm?
122 is very relevant.
With 237. And 122, that's even below the pre-market pullback, the pre-market low. So that's low at 122.
The 125 looks like a dream.
Really? That's the next one. But it was at, why would you say that? Because right there, this morning,
Mm-hmm.
wasn't it at 125.92?
No.
124.92?
That was yesterday.
No, 8:51 this morning. 124.92.
Yeah, but you say 125.
Oh yes, I corrected right after. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I don't know my numbers this morning.
Yeah, 124. Yes. Yeah, exactly. Making a lower high.
Now from 125, if you're looking at the tape at this moment, at 124.50 in ARCA, wouldn't you say that that stack would make it, would get it to 125? And then to continue to stack 126? It doesn't look bullish to you?
Yeah.
No?
No, it doesn't look bullish to me.
Okay.
Yeah, like I don't know. It's still interesting, but I don't know. Like it's maybe too early yet for. But it looks like if you want to keep pulling back and yeah.
Well, right now that's exactly what it's doing, and when we're looking at the market, it's pulling back as well.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't have a clear idea yet,
Okay.
but yeah, if we clear the 25, yes, for sure, it will be a nice long. If we clear the 25, like 125 here is, yeah. But yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Like the tape is lagging a little bit too much. Like there is no size that will be more deterministic right now. And yeah. But yeah, like yeah, I don't know. Just like to me, it's still a short.
Okay.
If I
You
change
see
my,
it as a short before it goes long.
yeah, yeah.
I would like to see it, for me, I marked the 123.50, and at the 123.50, I would like to see, like we do have an order at the 60, but at 123.50, what that stack is going to do, and yeah, see it. And see if it wants to go a little bit higher there as a long, but not before 123.50. I'll probably place an order there.
Understood.
And you, what's your stock that you would like to?
No, like Nvidia is one of them, definitely.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
Nvidia, like I am interested into this area here, like the 125, I will say. Um, but I want to see how that tape looks like when it get to 125. If it doesn't do, like let's say the VWAP is also very important right here.
Mhm.
Like we were not holding the VWAP at all during the pre-market. Like we were trying to, so it's relatively stronger. So the long may work, but I wouldn't unless we do a very nice pullback. Like if you pull back maybe to something like 123, I can try the long. Willing to see it breaking the 125. But like let's say I don't have any significant size on the tape until the 122. But then if we go 122, that means it is a short because it is breaking the trend.
Correct. I agree with that.
So
Yeah, for me, I agree. The VWAP is an important one. I'd like to see it interact with the VWAP and then see if I'm interested.
and SPY is pulling back a little bit violent.
Very, at this moment,
Yeah,
very.
so
We still have over 15 minutes, but yes, very.
so yeah, just to clarify, like maybe I don't have a like maybe the way to say is I don't have a clear direction on the on NVDA. Like, but if it goes above 125, I definitely will be looking for the long. If it goes, if it doesn't break the 125 for good, then it's a short.
Okay.
And it could be a long also at 123 or 122, something like that. So let me move this line over here because that's where we identify the size. Yeah. So next that you have.
Okay. So the next one is INTC.
Like, I think you say you're also gonna focus only in like about two stocks, maybe?
Exactly. So right now I am between. So right now where I am is between INTC as a second stock to be looking at. It would be INTC or PLTR.
Which one you find more attractive?
Hmm?
Which one do you find more attractive? It's a tricky question, maybe.
It is, because right now it is tricky because that's what I'm looking at. When I'm looking at PLTR in the 30 minutes, the 81 is definitely $81. It's pierced it yesterday, but a few days ago, I mean, but it's really difficult for it to go through that. When we're looking at the tape, 81.36 maybe. There's an 83 that's got a large lot of 150. But for me, I see it pulling back from there again, being Friday, the news, the market, all that good stuff. So for me, PLTR, I would look at, even though it's very strong right now, because of where it is, where it's sitting, what SPY is doing, I'd see it as a short for PLTR. But I don't feel comfortable because it's so strong.
Understood. So based on that, which one is more interesting? Like
Now I'm just going to go with
I see.
Like INTC, lots of, like when we're looking at INTC, we're talking lots of volume right now in the trading. I like how it's reacting. It's definitely. Wait a minute, I just need to expand that. I like the way that it's interacting with the, if we're looking in the 30, if we're looking in the 15, how it's interacting well with the 200 and the VWAP even in the 30. It seems to be gaining strength. Right now, the big position that we've got at $20 even, it's pretty significant. And it's not too far from there, so to see it react, and then when we're looking at the tape, once that if it does bounce back, the possibility of going to 21. So we're talking $1 there. I believe PLTR would look a little bit more juicy, but it's got lower volume, and we know PLTR can really move slow when it does not have the participant. What are you looking at, David?
Okay. Yeah, like out of the two, a little bit predictable there. I prefer PLTR, but it's because I see like INTC, like this is a very nice push. It's just in every push that it does, it finds a way to come back down. So it's interesting because if we manage to fill up that gap, it's like about 40 cents. Yeah, it's a 40 cents gap right now.
Mm,
So
that's what I thought too,
you
about
can
40.
take a 40 cents trade, willing to risk something like, yeah, um, like Andy Erratic, that this name, like, look how many, like, this is very choppy here. So I do prefer PLTR, like more clean candles, bigger candles, so
That's
more
good, sir.
directional. But yeah, it's yeah, I prefer PLTR instead of INTC, but I think
As you said,
it's gonna be more
predictable.
Yeah, yeah. My comment there is predictable, but the PLTR is also more predictable than INTC.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm looking at PLTR. Like PLTR have a big level of resistance at 80, 81. It's around 81, 30, something like that. So I think if you break for good, it's gonna be good. I still have it from yesterday, but like it's doing nothing pretty much. So
And that's what, kind of puts me there, because like PLTR, if it gets into a mode of consolidation, like PLTR is the king of consolidation. Like it can really stick it there. I remember trading it and saying, "Oh, jeez, water's boiling here." And when I see it that low in volume, I think like sometimes people agree so much that it's a good price right there that there's no volume, no movement. So does that mean maybe I'll be waiting a little bit to see? Wow, I don't know CIFR, but I am I'm not trading it, but I am going to be watching it because that looks very interesting.
nice.
But I won't touch it. Okay.
Very good, very good.
As well, I am going to be watching RR because that looks very interesting as well where it is. So those two we'll be watching without. I'm just going to be taking a couple of notes there for those two. Just to see if what I'm seeing would be accurate. So you're looking at PLTR, David?
Yeah, I'm looking at PLTR. I'm looking at Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
INTC I'm looking to, but with less hope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what it wants to offer.
So this is what we do there. I would have liked to try a long on RR at $2.50.
Like Apple definitely interest on it, but I don't know what Spy wants to do. Like Spy is already selling off a little bit too much. So
Seems to be have found there a little bit of support. And I believe that CIFR is to be short. Okay. So those two are set for the ones that I was interested in. So, just quickly surfing to see what else would be interested. If something shows up, that's not the ones we chose.
Yeah, like Nvidia is looking okay-ish. It's very interesting. It's just like, let's say this was yesterday.
It's difficult, right? Because right now it's at a very
I will be concerned about
critical
Nvidia going
level.
back to 120 again. Though I don't have much data to support that right now.
Did Nvidia not report earnings?
Not yet.
No? Okay.
Not that I like. I can check that out, but I think it's not yet. The report we had was from Tesla, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I know Tesla. That's true, right?
Yeah, we had Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and
Okay.
yeah, we need to check out. In here we can check. So, what are you planning to trade at the open? Yeah, if you don't mind to share that.
Okay, Nvidia there. And you said that.
Yeah, earning February 26th. INTC was yesterday. That's why I was moving.
Doing well too. Okay, so INTC could definitely have good news today. I believe it's going to be INTC and Nvidia.
Okay. So now I have a space for more stocks, so we're gonna keep Spice okay there. I think I'm gonna put INTC here. Um,
Yeah. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale my order in.
mm-hmm.
So I am going to be doing a small bite. Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's doing it. Actually, I might not have to do small bites. It's going to go right where I would like it to be. So I will put in my first bite, which is lower than what I was expecting, which is really nice.
SPY is trying to bounce back.
Mm-hmm.
INTC is flushing now, so just be careful. So I wanna look if SPY is gonna keep pushing. So that PLTR might be okay. Let's see. It's trying to hold there.
Okay, so I'm still interested in NVIDIA as well. So with SPY that's pushing back up, for NVIDIA, that VWAP looks very interesting.
Yeah, NVIDIA, where I had NVIDIA? I need to have NVIDIA somewhere else. NVDA right here. Yeah, NVIDIA, let's see. Yeah, at 123, I would like to go long on NVIDIA. Okay, market is open. Good luck, everybody. So let's see.
INTC got it exactly the price I wanted.
Nice. There we go, PLT.
There we go. It got me at, and that's okay.
Yeah, now it's puke. The PLT, the NTC.
NTC.
They want to contaminate your trade, but like
Oh no, for sure.
going long in that,
So,
auto suicide.
so 7, so. I'm gonna take 80.
Okay. Did you see the move I got on PLTR?
No!
There we go. That's what we are talking, my guy. Now. Ooh la la. There we go. All-time highs.
For VLTR?
That's apparently where we want to go. We haven't get there yet, but it looks like if he wants to go there. Did you see your INTC?
Yeah. I went back in.
We're gonna take a little bite on BDA.
I'm in at NVDA. Market is struggling right now. Well, SPY is struggling into VWAP.
Are you kidding me?
What?
No, that PLTR. Okay, Nvidia is going toward my
You're 125.
mm-hmm. So Nvidia I like to add more, but like know why I'm not convinced of that.
When we're looking at SPY, really struggling at the VWAP.
I have another to add on Nvidia,
Okay.
but it's gonna be very tight. PLTR is crazy.
Wow.
Oh, there we go. Nvidia's gonna get me the. Be careful, it's in flushing mode right now. I know I'm going very counter on that Nvidia, but Let's believe on it a little bit more. PLTR today looks like that train where you don't want to go in front. So
The train, you don't want to go in front?
exactly. As I'm riding the train, I'm okay. The train, I'm okay. But like, it looks like that we try short. Then it's concerning. If you were going to go short on that one. They are not really doing much, no?
No.
Look at your INDC.
Yeah, I went short.
Nice. Did you see the chart here?
Oh, no.
Yeah. So basically, in your loan here, yes, your loan makes sense. You got the best price when you got it,
Mm-hmm.
but you are going against the major trend, where you have.
Oh, the law made sense there, right? But as soon as it flipped, like, yeah, no, you gotta walk away. No? Divi, you don't think that all these white candles there, that's a good trend? No?
No.
Okay.
You know when that white candle happened?
No.
During the earning report, and many of them are outside of the market hours. Like all the big ones are outside of the market hours.
Okay.
So market hours was just up to here. Up to here, this one.
Okay. So half of it in, half of it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and what is it doing? Treating it like crap. Trading even below than this way, so. But it's a way of looking at it, you know, it's like, if you believe on it, if you put yourself in the people that are waiting for this to get to 21, and it didn't get to 21 during the earnings call,
Mm-hmm.
it's no, piece of shit. Oops,
Yeah,
sorry.
well,
Piece of garbage.
yeah, we're gonna need to fix my stuff after.
Like now, you will see it's gonna reject that line there. It's gonna go, touch that, and then go down. Just to trap more loans.
Okay.
Okay, on that meter, I'm gonna be all out right there. And that's gonna be a little profit, but it's on there. And now I'm gonna flip on the MBDA. You didn't even get it there. Okay, I couldn't get the entry I want, so I'm gonna go half. Is it half? So it will be more than half, but it's okay. And now let's see if I can add. So come on, Nvidia, prove me wrong. You can do it. And if you get there, get me what I want, which is a little bit more shares. to the short.
Okay, on Nvidia, the bid is being pulled so badly, it's not funny.
But I am on the short.
Okay.
That's why I say like I didn't offer my entry, and now I don't have any hope of getting my entry, and I'm gonna have to remove even the ad. I got a okay amount of shares, but not what I want.
Mm-hmm.
What names are you trading? I just want to know if we are following our plans.
INTC and Nvidia.
Okay. You went short on INTC?
INTC, yeah, I went short.
It would be good that you hold that thing for a couple good cents down because it's not good. And look, it's gonna break now the 1965, and then it's gonna be in trouble. Let's see if I can get the shares I want on Nvidia without working my price. Should be still okay. Here comes the money. Here comes the money. You see? Break the 65 INTC. And now its target, your target should be around 1943.
1950, actually. We'll see.
That's your target? Oh, your target is even above
1950, I've got it. My target.
your target?
Yeah, 1950, but we'll see.
Nice. Nice. Nvidia is trying.
Mm-hmm.
It's trying to survive. I shouldn't fight it too much.
Okay, so right now we're going to see it's going to take a direction, and it could be in your direction. And it's still fighting, still fighting,
You are 10 cents from target.
still fighting. RSI is gaining strength. We will see.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, the bid is being filled.
Yeah, with Nvidia, I don't have to argue with because like I have my stop loss, but I think I am wrong. But, like it doesn't look like if I am wrong. So once he lost that VWAP, it's not gonna be good.
Agreed. It needs to do a very clear bounce from that view up.
You got your target?
I got out of Nvidia because it went below.
Oh,
Though I still see it as a long.
we didn't save your layout.
No, and now I don't have my position within, but I didn't want to disturb you.
Um,
Orders. Thank you very much.
when you get to be less busy, I can do the others.
Mm-hmm.
So INTC, I might be taking a little short at some point. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia, you're trying your best. I know.
Spies at the view up.
Sorry.
INTC could be at the spot of a good short.
Yeah, I'm observing it, and now the push seems to have a little bit more confidence. So I will have to look at that tape. Guys, but PLTR is just flying. You see, like, I feel comfortable trading INTC there.
Okay.
Like, of course, like, I wouldn't take the trade now, but what I'm saying is, like, you remember we were talking about, hey, let's try to include a couple more plays.
Yeah, exactly.
That would be one that at this point,
You would be comfortable.
yeah, I will be comfortable trading it. Because it manifests very clear. I guess the tape is looking like crap on it, let's see. Because, like, the price, yeah, exactly like that. Yeah. That tape is a little bit useless. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Tell me why.
it's crowded in both.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's so crowded that you have, like, kind of to start counting one by one and see which one make more sense for you. But like even like that, that would be a gamble on that tape. But if you look at the chart, I will rely more in the chart than in the tape of that one. Like look at that 1985 and then gap up here. So then that's the overnight VWAP for INTC.
No, that's a VWAP. Is that the overnight or VWAP? That's a VWAP. No? You've got the overnight there?
It is my mistake because when we did your chart,
Okay.
I didn't put the.
Oh, the right little tick tick.
Yeah,
Okay.
you like now yours look opposite.
Okay.
Like yeah, so I
Okay.
have to work.
I'm
on
good.
that.
I'm able to work on that. Not that I know that they are. I'll
Yeah.
flip them
You flip them. Yeah.
in my mind for today.
Yeah.
Hey, let's be flexible.
Nvidia put a nice 5-minute candle there. I'm debating if I want to go out. I think I want to be out of that trade. It didn't offer me the partial what I wanted,
Okay.
and I guess the market is claiming yeah. So Nvidia I seen it's moved to the upside.
I'm long.
A little bit aggressive there, but
I'm 50 cents in the money with Nvidia.
nice. So you got it at a good price.
Mm-hmm. Did you ever hear the expression of coffee? I need coffee intravenously.
Yes, I have here that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Today
that's
it's
you.
a day of coffee intravenous. Okay, so I don't like that Nvidia did not do a higher high there.
Mm-hmm.
So not happy with that one. So I'll just pay attention a little bit more to the tape. Quick tape.
Yeah, SPY is coming down as well too. So, but I kind of yeah, I'm gonna be out of Nvidia temporarily,
Okay.
and that is just to not take a loss on it. So that was yeah, perfect. I got without losing anything, and I'm gonna try to give it another shot there. For the short, the order is in for me to pick, for the order to pick me up, but now at the correct price or what I consider the correct price.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, let's see what it wants to do. it should get me because there is somebody right in front of me. PLTR is just like, no, today I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. Let me give you those ARMA guys. Like, and like, yeah. Look here, the PLTR. Yeah, when you were talking about PLTR, the king of consolidation and all those things, I wanted to show you something, but I didn't want to contaminate you too much. But like, I think, how much consolidation do you see in this push-up here?
Right now, I'm managing INTC.
Okay,
I'm
no.
right at the VWAP and I'm checking my.
No.
I'll be right there.
Whenever you get there, don't worry.
Absolutely, I'll be right there
I got
because
Nvidia short. So
because I'm really. It's either I get out or I load, but I'm thinking that right now
yeah, all good. Don't worry. Take your time.
it's at a critical point.
I can show you later.
Nvidia's doing well. So right now, INTC is at a overnight VWAP.
Now I have Nvidia at the price I wanted. So if you get me out, it's okay. Then it won't be a short anymore.
So did you want to spoof? Is that really a smoky? Are you smoking? Do you want to kick everybody out? Is that what it is? And Nvidia $1.25 in a minute.
Very nice. Very nice.
INTC, come on.
Yeah, NTC seems to be under stress already.
Let's go pull it back. Pull it back.
Nvidia wants to get me out, but
Obviously you're short.
yes, I'm sure. Just respecting my process there. Like,
Absolutely.
if you get me out, I would be looking to flip, but it will need to get me out for me to flip because I don't trust it that much. No, I don't know what was said, but the SPY is also flying. Like I am 12R in the morning on
PLTR?
PLTR.
Woohoo! Come on, Nvidia, take some love out of that. Take some love out of SPY.
Now PLTR is gonna be blue sky. If I'm not mistaken, it is already blue sky.
Wow. Good job, JV.
No, it's not yet. It's not blue sky yet. You have to go above 8480. Okay,
And let's go!
Very nice. Very nice for that NVDA.
Ooh.
Forgot to eat my breakfast today.
Oh, did you?
I need to be busy.
When are you not?
I don't know.
Well, SPY's
Did you
at
see
6,
your
so
INTC?
I still didn't get me out. I'm still in the trade. I am still in the trade of INTC, but it's still not. I'm, like you say, super crowded tape at this moment on both sides. And the position at 1950 is still by far the biggest one there. And because I've got a very good price, I was able to hold that push up, but definitely a little bit of heat there. If we're looking at Nvidia, go Nvidia, go.
ay, ay.
That's a storm.
You're gonna have to go for some snacks. So, so I'm just putting my order to be out of um,
Nvidia?
no, PLTR.
Okay.
Order is in, so I'll be back. I'm just gonna go and get some snacks, and yeah, maybe a little break. we're back.
Nvidia.
Hey.
Am I gonna survive the pullback? I should be able to. I don't want it to lose 125. I took a little partial there. Oh, yeah.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Ay, ay, ay. There we go.
Nvidia.
There we go. Okay. A deep breath. Okay, so we had a big level there. Oh, you are not making higher highs, Nvidia. Oh, what you doing? $3.50.
Dime a ver, Dumbo.
Wow.
Mm. Okay, just as a discipline matter, I'm gonna be out of field here. Um, it's pushing back up right now. Okay, out of PLTR. And short in MBDA.
Can you explain your short on NVIDIA because I'm in long?
Yeah, market is taking a turn. And you have, did you see my exit on PLTR, where it was? No. In the
Oh,
most
wow.
recent trend. So, yeah, it's a little complex trade on NVDA. But if we go to the 60 minutes, how do I know that the 26 is my best price? It was the close of this candle, the open of this,
Mm-hmm.
and what I see, you see that wick that it put in the 5 minute was it? Let's see. NVDA. Yeah, in the 5 minute, maybe we can see it in another time frame, maybe the 15. Yeah, in the 15 it looks more decent. So wiki here, wiki here. So I'm expecting it, this one to be kind of the same.
Another wiki?
Yeah. And if the market loses steam, like it can keep coming down. But I something that I agree with is that the seller that like this name is not selling anymore as we saw it selling the other days. So
Mhm.
we have to be gentle. So with IMBDA because now it's looking like if we can turn back to the long for good. Is it doing it? No, it is not doing it, but but it works the shot, that's for sure.
Okay.
PLTR, I know I covered PLTR a little bit too soon, but I was just happy with the result.
Good discipline.
Like, yeah, so like, yeah, it's like I think sometimes we get greedy and that doesn't help.
Yeah, 125.50. We know it's very important for NVIDIA. And as soon as it got to 125.50, it jumped up 20 cents. Is it going to be able to maintain that?
SPY took a turn too there, just watch
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, I agree.
So I need to check something. What do I need to check?
Really, really big wick on SPY.
Did you see INTC re-entering?
INTC?
Oh, you are on it. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the benefit of holding on to the plan and, like you said, to remind me, are you on plan? When you do trade only two
Mm-hmm.
and you focus on those two,
Yeah, it's difficult to mismanage.
harder.
Harder to mismanage
Mhm.
when you are really
Harder.
paying attention.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in NVIDIA, as I say, I don't find it that clear, but
For me, it's the 125.50. 125.50 is important. It's been important since pre-market this morning. The
Yeah.
positions that were there. So I really want to not see it lose 125.50.
like if you see,
And if it does lose it, Reprint it right away.
My stop loss was at 25.46
Okay.
in the past. Like I short the 25 here with 46 stop loss. Maybe less. It was like 39 cents stop loss. So I got out here. So I short, no long, all out, short, short. I make like nothing here, like, but I didn't lose anything either.
Okay.
Then I short here, got a lost, short again, and now I, like as you say, that 25.50. I agree with you.
23.50. Yeah.
25.50.
25.50. Yes.
I agree that it is very important. So once he lost it, they're gonna be more quiet.
Mm-hmm.
But if he doesn't lose it, I'm gonna be in trouble. No, you will need to do a lot for it to erase the profit from PLTR.
And SPY right now is crossing.
Yeah, let me take a look at that tape on MBDA because that's what matters there. So it's funny because the participation we see lately is more recurrent, like. Okay. Yeah, nice push. By any stretch of the imagination, I think that that's a big trade for me, NVDA,
Okay.
because you see like the 2500, the chances of it breaking down below there, I think it's not that much, especially with the SPY pushing back up. So INTC concerning there. He can do either of the thing.
Absolutely, right there. At the view up. RSI pull back. We did find some sellers there. Monitoring INTC closely. We've got some large positions that are large lots coming in. Trend still is not broken, but very close to it.
A little bit counter. Definitely a little bit counter. Should be able to hold MBDA. Yeah, PLTR. I know INTC came back down. PLTR still flying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. As I say, I know I left money on the table on that one, but how do you say? Like,
¿Qué será? ¿Será?
are you watching a TV show that has that?
No.
Yeah.
¿Por qué?
Not like they say like better one bird in your hands than 100 flying.
See, no, we have a different one. One in a hand is better than two in the bush.
In the bush.
Yeah.
Nice.
Take what's there and run.
And to be honest, for me, that have been working. That has been what have been working the best.
Taking partials?
Yeah, because I find since I put the R's multiple instead of the P&L,
Mm-hmm.
like I am less focusing like in how much money it is, and I am more focusing. Hey, whenever you hit 6 hour, take two. 6 hour, take two, and if you fly from there, take half or take whatever you wanna take, but take.
Mm-hmm.
So like what I'm counting is that I'm counting that I'm taking R's. So
I like that.
you know,
It's less, yeah. You know what? I think I might be following you on that. I like that.
like I find at the beginning, yes, you still I know like 1 hour is this and 1 hour, but at some point, and that's the point that I find I am. It's like you only see like those are only arts. So
Mm-hmm.
at the end of the
Mm-hmm.
day, you look at the P&L and you like it or you don't like it.
I like that.
So because I missed my entry on INTC because I wasn't looking for it. I would like to find a trade and something else, but I kind of don't know what I want to trade right now. I was looking at AMD at some point.
Yeah, I was too this morning. I bet it's doing well.
It's looking interesting, and AMD. Hmm. Did they report or did something like? Looking a little bit choppish.
Is that a double top on Nvidia?
I don't know, but it's flying right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to fly. I add a little bit more to the short. I find the bid lag a lot right there.
are your trades doing, David?
On Nvidia, no good. And
Nvidia good. $2.60 in the month.
nice.
The difference, when you, like you say, getting that good price.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going higher. So.
I might get Phil on my NBC. Just got it.
You looking low at NDC?
Mm-hmm. At the 1980.
Okay.
At that level, we've previously found some buyers. They're still there. $3 in the money for Nvidia.
Very nice.
Not typical for a Friday move.
No, yeah. Like
SPY is almost at 610.
oh yeah. Like I have a technical stop loss on Nvidia, but
Mhm.
as I said, I don't believe that it's gonna work. It's just I'm trying to mitigate the risk in there, which is not working okay now yet. So
A little pullback on SPY. Wow. Nvidia still wants to push up. Incredible, right?
mm-hmm.
Incredible. Wow.
Very nice confidence.
Mm-hmm. And SPY seems to be
Flying too.
absolutely. Did SPY find a top there?
doesn't look like no. Um, I have a healthy bet on the on BDA,
Okay.
but
What is it?
you see there is a previous higher high, which is the high of that is 127.34.
Mm-hmm.
Though, like, that's just me trying to manage my trade, but like I should be out of that trade very long ago. But because I didn't get out, I actually add to it. I say, okay, what will be the next thing that I can make peace with? Well, you're gonna like this is very significant here.
At 125.
Like,
Right now.
Yeah, like right there. So
Right there.
no, like I mean, know what the price is now.
Oh.
It's like this previous candle here is very important because it indicates a turn.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is like, what are the chances that this is gonna make a higher high from this one? Is gonna be lower. So I just have like a stop loss like 5 cents above it.
That's a good management.
It helped it, like it helped the mistake I made, but it doesn't justify it.
Okay, reprint. Makes sense what you're saying. Reprint 50, reprint 50, reprint. Whoa! What is that acceleration happening there? Reprint 50.
Spy put a funny candle right there.
Yeah. What a wick, eh, on SPY?
Yeah.
Huge wick. But what a bullish wick. Bid's being pulled.
Yeah. There we go. I want to see if he's able to hold 25.50.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Because it has been a good day for Nvidia. I would like pretty sure.
Did you see the bid?
I have the
Check
tape here, but I
INET.
don't see anything special. Like the 600 lot at 25.
Check INET. Did it get pulled?
No, the only thing I can see that is a little bit impressive is the 600 lot at 25.
No, but the length of the tape, did it not get pulled?
Right now,
INET?
no, it's all filled up. If you see, I'm at the max low, and like that's the max low, and we cannot even see.
Look at my INET.
I don't get it. I just don't know how that happened. I know I have a different. I pay like yeah, I have more books than you, but as I say, at some point we're gonna do like a survey. I don't know, like I don't know how you call that. I think it's a survey. It's like
No, a overview.
yeah, like let's hire all of them that provide tapes,
Mm-hmm.
all of them, and see what we find on it, like which one is the best tape.
Agreed.
Because I don't understand how sometimes you see sizes I don't see, or the opposite.
Or the opposite. Right now,
That's
my
right.
NVIDIA, because right now my INET looks like a demontage
Yeah, like your INET is empty on the bed.
on the bid, completely
Yeah.
empty on NVIDIA.
Mine
So that's
is
why I
so
got
full up
out
that
of
I
the
cannot see.
position, and now it just appeared. Now it's full. Weird, eh? How it can be pulled like that.
llover. Y eso es lo que me gusta. Oh no, oh no.
Oh no, no, no. So what are you trading, Davey?
I still have Nvidia,
Okay.
and now I'm more quiet on that one because it's overall pullback. So um, I'm gonna hold it the way I have it, and let's see what it wants to do. I know it's holding the 26 and it's holding the 25.50, but the question in there is like how long.
Mm-hmm.
So
Hey, Dumbo, you might have a spa day this weekend.
yeah,
Mm-hmm. Wow, SPY is still pulling.
yeah. I'm overconfident about Nvidia, as I say. Like it's just I see like it is technology sector like in general.
Mm-hmm.
So and we have like, of course I know that INTC report earnings and those things. So INTC, did they report earnings? That what you see? Yeah, he
Yes.
said that, yeah, it was yesterday. So INTC report earnings selling off. AMD, I don't know if there's any news, but like I was looking at it as a short, never took it, but yeah, not looking good. TSM looking strongish. MU the strongish. So Nvidia, MU, and TSM are like looking more similar. NVDA.
Pushing back up for SPY.
So
NVIDIA pushing back up.
it has a very decent volume today. It's just 10:47 and already have 100 million share. 103. NVDA. What is my guy PLTR doing?
How's PLTR doing?
He's doing very well.
Holding what?
Yeah, holding well. I think. Yeah. because if you see like if we go in a lower time frame, first pullback, second pullback, yes, this is a higher,
Higher.
higher
Higher
low.
low.
Yeah, exactly. So and my concern is like this is all time high or previous all time high.
Mm-hmm.
I went up by a couple cents. This thing seems to be like if he wants to go even higher.
It looks so strong.
Yeah, so
Is that a
I
head
don't-
and shoulder?
uh, no, I wouldn't say because
Lopsided?
the shoulder is that's the 1 minute. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know how to call it, but like yeah, definitely looking strong, but concerned about the timing here. Like 1, 2.
Wow. Check the candles on SPYs in 5 minutes. It's nuts.
That's why I like. That's why I was saying about the
That's a
PLTR.
50 cents full candle.
Like, I agree that this is very strong,
Mm-hmm.
but you see, like, it try like, if we say pull back, went back up, like sometimes if it doesn't wait, like if it doesn't last long enough, it doesn't collect enough strength to break through.
Mm-hmm.
So and when a SPY is doing like those move, like look, a SPY took a little bit longer, but still looking strong. I just don't know. It's like I'm not convinced of. I wouldn't be like, let's say PLTR. I wouldn't be buying it there.
Okay. I've got a position in INTC at 1980 that was placed. I still have, I added on the pullbacks, which then I'm still in 1980. I believe that that's where there's a strong consolidation there. It has been support previously this morning after the market open. We'll see what it's doing right now. Because of the good price, I'm able to hold. I still see it as a long at that level at 1980. We'll see what's going to happen. There we go. It's a long, patient trade, and because it got me out several times before, because I did not get the price, I was going in either at the VWAP long. Here several times I got smoked, but 1980, when I did go in 1980, I seem to be, and there it goes, printing now.
But what will be your target in there?
20 is my first, and then the next one, there's a big position at 2020, if it gets there. Right now, after that, it's a very, very heavy tape. If it's able to cross 20, very heavy tape to the offer up to 22, but it did not display that kind of strength today to be thinking it will go there. We don't want to limit that kind of move, but for me 20 is my first target, very close to the VWAP, so we'll see.
Okay.
And you, what do you see?
For INTC, like
Sorry for that, but did you see the wick on SPY? What's going on there? There's a battle going on, a consolidation of 50 cents. No, but do you see that?
yeah, it's strong as hell.
But look at the candles. Like the candles are printing 50 cents full candles. No? You're laughing, but
Yeah, it's just like that's all time high.
uh-huh.
So
Okay. Please continue on PLTR.
no INTC.
INTC. I seem to be the only one that's
No, it makes sense. It's just like
So go on with INTC.
yeah, like INTC here, like this time frame here is like
Okay, going close to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
20. Big guys at 20 are coming in.
Might be just me. So
You're saying super low.
like this is looking like a new level of resistance.
hmm
Maybe the view up. But you got
1980 was a previous level of resistance.
the 20 makes sense to probably the 20 makes sense. Like,
Yep, for me 20, I'm looking at it down. They're coming through. They are coming through very, very shortly. I've got the level that's marked at 20. Tape is changing. Tape is changing. Oh, shoot. Did you see that? You're monitoring what? Okay,
I
NVIDIA.
am watching the tape NVIDIA.
I like it. I'm watching the tape on. INTC. Let's go and cross this baby. $99. Those are insane lots. 99 came in, accelerated. 20 came in, accelerated. Ooh, O2 now. Accelerating the tape, and we're off to the races.
And NVIDIA is looking short to me. Yeah.
Okay.
So I know I'm forcing because I am like I could have a better entry and no hold for such a long time. INTC, look INTC, timing the 20 thing.
Nicely done. So now 2020. Let's see what you're gonna go there. I really would like to. At 2010, but 2020 should still be good. We should find a lot of buyers going in here. And we found them. There we go. So now the offer is higher at 2018. Let's see what that's going to do. Oh. Didn't get to that yet. Get 2018. Come on. Come on. Yep. 2020 is coming on. 2020 coming on deck.
Okay, mistake.
Yeah. Tick.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yala, yala.
In 2019. So we still have. So we found some significant sellers there. Though we do have a big lot coming at the 10. As we know, that was big. What are you going to do? Accelerate or out? There you are. Ooh, found some sellers. Yeah. What's that? High there. 2007. Okay, it must be the new chart, Stevie, but the wicks or the candlelights. I mean, you know that you you fixed all my or readjusted all my charts yesterday?
So it's a good or it's a bad thing?
I'm not sure. Right now, I feel that everything is so amplified that definitely clearer, but uncomfortable.
Yeah, it will take a little bit to get used to.
Hmm.
But like, I think it's a good thing because like before, I don't think you were able to see the chart.
That was funny when you saw my charts and said, "What the?"
Yeah, they were all squeezed.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's gonna get me out.
Okay. You were short.
I'm still in the short. And,
Okay.
It is okay. It's just I could manage it better. Got a little bit lazy about looking for another trade,
Okay.
so I have to work on that.
So I'm happy that INTC reprinted 2010. We had we had a big order going in there, and it seemed to have accelerated the price. I want to see if we're going to be printing a higher high in this time frame, because we pulled back from 2020, which we knew was big. Took that partial at that 2018 actually. I had an optic mistake there. So I like the fact that it's reprinting 2010, but I wanted to cross the 2020. We've got 2019 coming in 2020. We should see how that's going to affect the tape. We've got SPY all-time high and still pushing on. Nvidia must be doing well. Okay, 2019 going through in INTC. Not printed yet though. Some of it's being printed, 1920. Not yet. Are you going to make a double top there and then pull back? Possible. Hmm. So we still have a strong RSI. 2020 did not go through on INTC. Lots of green there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. $20.20 is still holding its position. $19's building and $20's building. $19 went through. Some of it's still there.
Took a little short on AMD
Okay.
and a short on PLTR.
Ooh.
PLTR, probability is slightly lower, but still like could work. Let's see. AMD is yeah. Let's see. There is a big level at 19 that right now I don't remember from where did I pull it out, but seems to matter a lot to it. So if you lost it for good, okay, I took loans in PLTR and I took loans on Nvidia.
Woohoo.
At some point, I just want to make sure, like, I'm trying to monitor if I have been only going short or what I have done. INTC now apparently offering a reverse. So AMD,
I think that's a smoke move, but we'll see. I'm monitoring right now, but you could be right.
okay, if wow, what can I target on my? Trying to find a target on
AMD?
AMD, yeah.
SPY is almost making it so cheap.
Like SPY went way above the previous high by a couple dollars. So PLTR. PLTR still looking okay. It's amazing PLTR.
It's crazy, eh? How it's been.
Yeah.
What a beautiful stock. And you and Zach have been reading it very well.
Okay, I think on PLTR.
Almost at 610. It's going to reach 610. SPY is going to reach 610. Come on.
Hey,
Okay.
very nice day for SPY.
Mm-hmm.
Kish. Baba is a little bit weak, but
SPY is not 610 yet. Yeah, the sore throat is wicked.
the what?
The sore throat. I get it at the beginning of the day, and if you got it all day, phew, it's difficult to swallow.
Yeah.
Another push, buy. Okay, come on, people, jump in.
Nvidia back to 127. Hey, good for you, my guy. Good for you.
Okay, you lose the 20 INTC and watch how fast I jump you. Yeah, interesting price right there, right?
It's like this AMD is working, but it's very slow. And
Mm-hmm. What time of the day, right? I find maybe. Don't lose the 200. So SPY didn't get to the 610.
no,
It's just a push. Holy blue. The whole print just went blue. People, you should be jumping into this trade. It's a good price.
PLTR got me out one time. That's
Okay.
okay. Now hold on.
So it's a little pullback from SPY, but it seems like it's not a crazy one.
Sometimes when we say that, is
It's when it's gonna go.
yeah.
Push over. Wow. Wow. You gotta see the tape on INTC. Just for the fun of it.
It's gonna be breaking even on AMD. I think it's gonna be working good. It's a decent trade. So INTC, you say the tape. That tape on INTC. Mm.
Are you cold?
A little bit. We're gonna see if this week can move the heater closer to us. Yesterday when we finished, I went to check if it was warming up, and it is warming up. It's just that it's too far.
Mm.
So basically, the heat that you're gonna receive here is only from the main one.
In the middle.
Yeah, not from the one that we turn on separate.
Davey,
Mm-hmm.
do you have time to show me what you wanted to show me on PLTR? I know you're in trades and reading, but
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I didn't forget that.
okay. I didn't either, but I knew that you were monitoring some stuff, so I didn't want to.
Yeah, like so. I didn't erase all the line here, so like I didn't want to influence you too much because you say like wait, like I know you are trying to work in having a clear plan, but you say that PLTR is the king of consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
And like what I was
Not
trying to illustrate,
today.
this is a 60-minute chart. This is like 10 or 15 days. So in 10 of it, like this is a decent consolidation here, but right after that one, how many days of consolidations? 0. So then you have one here, push up, push down. Then back
Yes,
down.
but it's in the time frame that we trade. When it's got a long, a big level like 81 as an example, it's gonna get, if it consolidate there, it's gonna stay there. But I agree, there's no consolidation there in the 60 minutes, but that's an hour time frame. If you look at it in the 15.
So what I'm trying to say, like let's say this is a consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
This is a consolidation. And this is a consolidation. So, but what I'm saying here is like, from coming from $65 to $80, you had 3 periods of consolidation, and this one is the longest one. So, because you have evidence that every time it consolidates, it push one way or the other.
Mm-hmm.
If you are in the right side, because this is the longest consolidation, this is the juiciest trade that you have, and this is the longest candle you find compared to this one. Like this is very big, but this is bigger. And like the reason for that is because of the consolidation. One assumption that many traders got wrong is that when the stock is sleeping, like doing nothing, that there is nothing happening. And
It's just a tug of war.
it's a whole. It's not necessarily a tug of war. It could be a tug of war, but if I know that, like I had, like let's say, if we are buying because, like, the overall is buying and I want to hide it,
Mm-hmm.
I want to allow it to consolidate, and I'm gonna be very patiently accumulating on the rest. Like basically here, what I'm trying to say, that candle here, that you see here, is the result of the period of consolidation here.
Okay.
So when you call it the king of consolidating, you kind of miss that because of the long consolidation, there was going to be a big move in either direction.
Mm-hmm.
So
But the king of consolidation doesn't match with the queen of impatience. When it but it's true. Like the days that I know that you can watch PLTR go like forever. Stay there.
yeah.
Let me see what I'm trying to say here. Because I know what you mean, and that's a very good point. Yep, and it's even more evidence when you're looking at it in the 30 minutes, your comment. Because when you're looking at it 30 minutes, you can really see the pops after the consolidation on PLTR. Like here, I got it here, and you can really see the period of consolidations are hours, but then, like you say, it's a big move right after. Yep. That's what I mean. You're really good. You've been trading PLTR, you and Zach, for quite a long time. Another difference as well is that you seem to have a very good price when you take PLTR.
Sometimes.
I seem to chase PLTR.
I chased it a lot yesterday. I had poor results in PLTR yesterday,
Okay.
so
Okay, you've reached a plateau, didn't you?
yeah, I believe in this AMD, but it's like watching water boil.
That's another AMD I would have to say is a queen of consolidation. I don't know
Like-
why is it one is king and one is queen, but
Like Nvidia. Of course, it's not that I believe in the short, but Nvidia is a short at some point close to here. It's just like, I think I got stopped like twice. Stopped out and twice on Nvidia. Let's see. BDA. Yeah, I got 3 times. So, do I wanna fight with it? No, I wanna keep it in the yet. So, it's okay.
yeah, I guess it's getting up to I understand.
In the IMD, I'm breaking even because I have a decent entry,
Okay.
and I wanna see it breaking that line there, which I don't know if it's possible. My target is something like 1780s.
Oh. Risk to reward is high.
Well, right now it's even higher because it's free. Like I'm breaking even on that trade, so it moved enough in my favor that I say, you know what? Let's keep it good for that.
Mm-hmm. VIX is at 15.
Yeah, I forgot to tell Zach's text very early. He said that he won't be able to be here, but
Oh, okay. He's afflicted by the cold too.
no classes.
Ah.
Today I feel that my level of energy affect my trading a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's not that bad because like I'm green and it's a good day, but
Good discipline.
like I find that since I had that super excited day, like the 2 other days happening, it's okay. I deem myself a little bit too much, but it's not just like it's not that. It's like the reality is that freaking cold is killing me. You wake up at night and say, "Hey, do I take a pill or?" I'm not a fan of taking pills, you know. It's like,
But what about Larry usually does that syrup?
yeah. I think I'm gonna do that tonight.
Mm-hmm.
The honey with onions. Look at this, just hitting target.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
So did you want to wrap it up a little
And
bit?
it did a bounce even. So yeah, sure. Um, yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's steady. So sorry, I was watching the IMD,
No, no, not at all.
and yeah, like now, I'm gonna be very quiet on the IMD, and it is a target, but the way it pierced it, was not the cutest one. So it's gonna keep flushing apparently. So yeah, for me, I had an overnight trade on PLTR, and so I got a price around here, like 80 something, 81.15, yeah, around there. 81.15 was my average. So I made, I think it was 14 hours in this one, so it's a good trade. So then I took Nvidia. In Nvidia, I went long here, got everything out here, and that's like maybe 2 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours.
Nice.
So then went short here, add to the short, and then broke even here. I captured some profit here, but it was very, very little. Then I short, got out from with one loss. Short, add to the short, got out with a big loss just because I was hard headed in there. And I say at some point around here, I know it is a short. It's just this price is not the best here. The price I got right here, it wasn't the best price for the short. I just like I gravitate over the tape and I say, I don't think it's gonna break 26.50, but it did for good. So and yeah, I'm happy because I was able to go long, short, and I wasn't just fixated to one or the other. So and then I took AMD, and on AMD I took a short right here. It's a beautiful short. So it's trying to bounce from here, but like I don't sense the momentum for the bounce. So I'm gonna try to hold for a little bit longer, but I won't let it go too much against me. Like that's nice profit that I want to keep it. So, but yeah, another good day, and yeah, that's all. I was looking to take INTC, but I have problem reading this because to me, like this
Very
trade in
proud
here,
of you, eh?
yeah, like that trade here shouldn't happen. Like that long here, like, but it's INTC. It's like I was feeling very comfortable, and I told you like I will take this trade, but it's moving a little bit erratic there, maybe, or yeah. So yeah, what about you, Marie?
So I only traded two. My big fail was INTC short. I got busy with Nvidia and I did not take though. It did work. It was great. I was very proud of flipping. So when I did, I had INTC long at the open, right here at the 20 mark. Then I broke even. That was not good because I left some money on the table there. Then I switched and went short at the 1994, and I was adding as I go down, but instead of taking almost 5R at the lowest, I broke even. So that was a big loss there. Then I went, so INTC short was a lack of discipline in paying attention. And then I was able to go long at the price that I was talking about for INTC, and that's what I'm still in. I went long at 1978. So that was a really good one there. I'm still in there because of the price is still good. I'm watching what it's reacting with the VWAP. I think I might be going. I'm breaking even now, but I think I'm just going to go out of there. And yeah, so hopefully, and I had Nvidia long. That was a good trade, but I got out too early of that, so I left. Again, it's a good trade, not really, because I got out of the trade at 126 and it went at 128. So I was pleased, like you. I think it's a little bit of the same conversation in my head. I was pleased to where it got there, took the profit, but left money on the table there. And I'm still on INTC, so we'll
Yeah,
see.
like,
And breaking even.
when you took that long, I said like, how that long is gonna work? And it's exactly what it did. It worked.
It worked.
So like,
But again, lack of discipline. I did take some partial. I did a couple of hotkey mistake as well. So yeah, we definitely have a lot of work to do. But I'm glad that I followed the plan, stayed in, and
yeah, yeah. So any other or
that's it for
that's
me.
you? Okay, so yeah, it has been a very good week in general. Like I had one red day. It was because I gave all my profit away, and yeah, that's it. I think we're gonna try to keep improving in the discipline, trying to be more focused. And let's see if next week I don't have this call that is really bugging me.
Yeah, that's not
And
cool.
yeah, it's not nice.
No.
But yeah, fantastic week for me. And yeah, if you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe. We're gonna be here every day from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So yeah, that's what we do. And I hope everybody have a good weekend.
Bye.
Bye.